Hey, it's Haley at Seamwork here with another pattern hack. Pattern hacks take the pressure off of pattern making and help you approach patterns with a fun, experimental mindset so you can play designer and pattern maker all at the same time. In this hack, I'll show you how to create a tapered ruffle, perfect for adding a little extra embellishment to seams or outer edges of garments. I'll demonstrate using the Seamwork Maggie swimsuit.